Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is the AWS monthly update series. In this series, we talk about new features and update on AWS. Now, without any further ado, let's move to what's new with AWS in the month of May. First update we have is Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch introduces enhanced resource filtering for cross-account monitoring that empowers customers with the flexibility to selectively share specific logs or metrics across numerous AWS accounts through customizable filters. With this update, you gain the flexibility to include or exclude shared logs and metrics from analysis, tailoring your investigation to specific data sets. You can start using these new features right away without an extra cost, whether you prefer clicking around in the AWS Management Console or using command lines. And the next one we have is Amazon EC2 now protects your AMIs from unintentional deregistration. Yeah, you heard it right. Now individuals will have the capability to prevent accidental deregistration of AMIs by selecting them as protected. Once someone marks an AMI as protected, they cannot deregister it unless they disable deregistration protection. Moving forward, AWS now has rolled out a fresh EC2 API that retrieves the public endorsement key known as EKPUB for the Nitro Trusted Platform, a NitroTPM found in an Amazon EC2 instance. Amazon EC2 users now have the ability to fetch the special public endorsement key from their EC2 instance NitroTPM in a programmatic way using the getInstanceTPM EKPUB API. And the cherry on the top, there is no extra charge for tapping into this API. Moving on to our next update, AWS announces Amazon EC2 C7i Flex instances. C7i Flex instances offer significant price performance benefits for most compute-intensive tasks, providing up to 19% better performance than C6i instances. They are an excellent choice for applications that do not fully utilize all compute resources. C7i Flex instances are ideal for running common compute-intensive workloads such as web and application servers, databases, caches, Apache Kafka, and Elasticsearch. Another update we have is Amazon Lightsail introduces a larger instance bundle with 16 vCPUs and 64 GB of memory. This bundle is available with Linux OS and application blueprints supporting both IPv6 only and dual stack networking. And the other one is Amazon has introduced Amazon Bedrock Studio, a new web-based platform for developing generative AI applications and is now available in public preview. Bedrock Studio speeds up the creation of generative AI apps by offering a rapid prototyping environment with features like knowledge bases, agents, and guardrails. Another update we have is AWS cost anomaly detection lowers latency by up to 30%, which means it will find cost anomalies up to 30% faster. This helps customers spot and respond to spending charges more quickly. With this update, AWS cost anomaly detection checks cost and usage data up to 3 times a day instead of just once daily. Another update we have is Amazon Managed Grafana now offers new version. In a new update, Amazon Managed Grafana now supports version 10.4. This update brings in features from open source Grafana version 9.5 to 10.4 such as correlations of folders and new visualization panels. Also, new configuration APIs are introduced to manage service accounts and token for Grafana workspaces. And another one we have is AWS announces Amazon EC2 high memory U7i instances for larger in-memory databases. Compared to the previous generation, U7i instances deliver 135% more compute performance, up to 115% better memory performance, and 2.5 times the EVS bandwidth. And the last update we have is Application Load Balancer now supports IPv6 only connections for clients, allowing load balancers without IPv4 addresses. Clients can connect using ADNS records assigned to ALB. This feature lets you use IPv4 and IPv6 for your application targets and avoid IPv4 charges for clients that don't need it. And with that, we have come to the end of our video. I hope you find this video really helpful. And if you want to know more and learn more about the new AWS features and updates, you can always visit the AWS official documentation page. We have provided the link in the description below. Please check out and subscribe our channel and like this video. Bye bye.